If you're looking to manage your recruitment reports on Top Echelon, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a seasoned recruiter or just starting, this quick guide will walk you through how to leverage Top Echelon's powerful reporting features to streamline your recruitment process and make more informed decisions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your recruitment reports like a pro. First, let's talk about accessing your recruitment reports in Top Echelon. Once you're logged in, head over to the Reports tab on the top navigation bar. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you can find an array of pre-built reports tailored to different aspects of the recruitment process, like candidate activity, job orders, placements, and more. Now, if you're new to Top Echelon, don't worry. Creating reports is simple. You can start by selecting a report template that fits your needs. Let's say you want to track job orders. There's a pre-built report specifically for this. Select it, and instantly you'll see key metrics like job orders per recruiter, placement ratios, and the status of each job order. These reports help you stay on top of the recruiting process without wasting time manually gathering data. You can also customize these reports to focus on the metrics that matter most to you. Top Echelon allows you to filter by various criteria such as date range, recruiter, or placement status. This customization gives you the flexibility to zoom in on specific areas and track your performance more closely. Want to see how your team is performing? You can filter by recruiter and get a detailed breakdown of their results. Another feature I really like is the ability to export reports. Whether you need them for a team meeting or to analyze trends over time, you can export your reports as Excel spreadsheets or PDFs. This makes sharing and collaborating with your team or clients super easy. With just a few clicks, you can have all your data in a format that suits your needs. But wait, there's more. Did you know that you can schedule reports to be sent to you automatically? That's right. If there's a specific report you need to receive regularly, you can set it up to run on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. No more manual downloading. Let the software do the work for you. This is a huge time saver for busy recruiters, allowing you to focus on what matters most, placing candidates. To make your reporting even more effective, Top Echelon integrates with other recruitment tools you might already be using. If you use a CRM or ATS system, you can sync your data between platforms, ensuring that your reports are always up to date. This seamless integration helps eliminate errors and saves you time by keeping everything in one place. If you're looking to improve your reporting further, Top Echelon offers advanced analytics. With the right permissions, you can dive into detailed insights and make data-driven decisions that improve your overall recruitment strategy. From tracking recruiter productivity to understanding market trends, these analytics can give you a competitive edge. So if you're looking to take control of your recruitment reports and manage them like a pro, Top Echelon is the software for you. And the best part? You can try it for free right now with an exclusive trial by clicking the link in the description below. That's right, you can get started at no cost and experience all the benefits yourself. Remember, Top Echelon is more than just a tool for managing recruitment reports. It's an all-in-one platform that helps you stay organized, track your performance, and optimize your recruitment process. Don't miss out. Click the link below to start your free trial and get access to all the amazing features Top Echelon has to offer. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial link in the description. Happy recruiting!